This is Sneezewort, a perennial that flowers from early to late summer. The plant has a small, clumping or trailing habit with long, thin stems. The thin, unbranched stems are light green and hairless. The sessile leaves grow alternate along the stem and are linearly lanceolate with fine serrations along their margins. They are light green and hairless. The tops of the stems carry loose corymbs of small flowering heads, which have bright white ray flowers with short rounded petals and tiny disc flowers. Double blooming varieties are most often grown, which bear distinct ball-like flower heads. Sneezewort prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It is a vigorous and competitive grower that can become invasive if left unchecked.